Last time we already rendered the message, and this time we want to server-side render the message. So if you click on this link, we want the message load up immediately. Rather, you may see render one by one. And now we go to the id.js, and which is under the chat folders, and we already has a get server-side props at this page. And last time we already server-side rendered the chat, and this time we want to render the message. So we go to the chat collections, and we go to the specific chat and get that message. And actually we have already done this before in the chat content, and you can see we has this one. Actually this is very similar, and now we also get the query, but we do not have the snapshot because we just want to pre-build when this is running the web. So we query this message and also ordered by the timestamp with ascending orders, and then we have the snapshot, and then we also get the message. At last we will return this as message, and this is json.stringify, and then we go to the top and we want to pass this message to the chat content. So we have the message props equal to message, and then we go to the chat content. But first we have to import a few things, which is including the collections, order by, the query, and also the get docs. So I think we already import all we need, and so we can go to the chat content, and then we pass the message props at here, and then we add use effect, and then set message, and then we use json.pass and then message props. And now we already has the message props, and then if we already pre-built this, we can set the message at here, and also we can still use the real time. For example, if we go to here, let's see whether it has error. Now we go to here. Now we can see the message already appear. Now we can type hi, and you can see it also appeared at this part. So it worked correctly.